You will be amazed by this 2019 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Whether you're on a family road trip or doing the daily drive, the Equinox is your go-to vehicle. It's the elegant solution that blends advanced safety technology, passenger comfort, and SUV functionality. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power liftgate, dual zone AC, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Enjoy the journey in the capable and comfortable Equinox. Drive it today.